Hello everyone, Hamel here. Just wanted to share a couple observations on R1 RCM. Before I do that, please make sure this is not a buy, sell, or hold recommendation. These are just my thoughts and observations. So if you look at R1 RCM, this is a weekly chart from MarketSmith. So we can see the stock has been in a downtrend since February this year. It has been down 37% from all-time highs. Now, even though it has been in a downtrend, we can see expanding institution ownership. Not only that, we can also see that there is an accumulation going on underneath the surface, and I'll show you very quick. So this is just the E-Trade, and these are all the holdings. This should be up to date because we are 45 days into Q3. So this should be pretty much up to date here. So this actually, back in May, their largest shareholders and CEOs sold some shares, which is right here. So it was 20 million shares that was sold by Tower Brook, which owns another 140, and then Joe Flanagan sold about 500,000 shares, and he owns another 3 million shares. Now, there are still 40 more million shares that Tower Brook can sell at some point, so there's still that overhang out there. However, that being said, we can see they still owns 140, and that 40 million is not included in this 139 million from what I believe. Now, let's go back here, and then I'll show you one more screen here. So if we look at the institution ownership, this is the NASDAQ website. So this is official numbers here. So we can see 141 holders increased their share positions compared to decreased position, which was about 10 million. This was about 30 million. And then we can see most of the larger shareholders increased their position, and there were several new large position holders or institutions that acquired shares. So we can clearly see there is accumulation going on underneath the surface. So we can comfortably say that this may continue to build, continue the base building process here. It's the left side of the base, then there's the bottom, and there's the right side of the base, and then it can set up, and then from there it can probably move higher. At least that's what I'm looking for. So if you can see here, this is the anchored VWAP, which is volume weighted average price from all-time highs and from the 200th candle. And we can see it's congregating right at 200-day moving average. So in my opinion, this stock has to cross the 200-day moving average and then settle down somewhere here or above its 200-day moving average. And then at that point, when it sets up, then it may be a good opportunity to buy. Now, I have been holding this for a very long time, and this is my long-term hold. So I will continue to hold so until something changes. So I just wanted to share some observations because it has been very frustrating continuing to see stock go down, even though it has very strong fundamentals, in my opinion, and based on what their earnings calls and the presentations that I have been following very closely for last several years. So that's all I have. I hope this helps. Take care.